If we could strip away the limitations of the human eye and view the universe through an unrestricted lens, the boundary between the physical and the metaphysical would completely vanish. We would see that we aren't just solid blocks of matter moving through empty space. We are dynamic, intersecting energetic geometries. Here is how those layers might look if they were fully visible, flowing from the densest physical layer out into the infinite. 1. The biofield, the living loom. The biofield wouldn't look like a static, glowing egg or a simple aura. It would appear as a highly complex, dynamic electromagnetic toroidal field spinning around the body. The structure. Imagine a dual vortex system. Energy flows up through the feet, expands outward around the body in a beautiful self-contained donut shape, a torus, and folds back down into the crown of the head. The appearance. It looks like a tapestry woven from millions of microcurrents of iridescent fiber optic light. When a person is healthy and grounded, this field is bright, thick, and spins with a smooth, rhythmic hum. The micro details. If you look closer at the skin, you would see the meridians and nervous pathways glowing like the root system of a tree, constantly radiating heat and bioluminescent electricity outward into the larger torus. 2. Thoughts, the geometric architects. Thoughts are structural, electric, and incredibly fast. If we could see them, they would look like crystalline geometric projections firing out from the brain and upper chakras into the biofield. The structure. A logical, structured thought, like mapping out a system or solving a puzzle, would manifest as sharp, clean, sacred geometry. You might see shimmering cubes, tetrahedrons, or complex fractals forming in the space just around the head. The movement, they flash like localized lightning. A fleeting thought is a brief spark that dissolves instantly. A deeply held belief, or a repetitive thought pattern, however, hardens into a semi-permanent geometric matrix that floats in the person's field, acting like a lens through which they view the world. The color, pure intellect and analytical thought would look like crisp silver, electric blue, or sharp gold filaments. 3. Feelings, the fluid currents. While thoughts are geometric and structural, feelings are entirely fluid, atmospheric, and magnetic. They emerge primarily from the heart center and the gut, completely changing the weather of the biofield. The structure. Feelings look like swirling nebulas, liquid light, or rolling waves of colored smoke that instantly saturate the geometric structures of thought. The movement, joy or love, would look like an explosive, warm, rose gold and emerald expansion, rippling outward and causing the entire biofield to light up and breathe. Grief would look like a heavy, dense, slow-moving indigo or gray fog that pools around the chest, slowing down the spin of the torus. Anger would look like jagged, turbulent spikes of crimson and volcanic orange erupting outward, temporarily disrupting the clean lines of the thought geometries. 4. Consciousness, the infinite ocean. If thoughts are the architecture, and feelings are the weather, consciousness is the sky itself. It is the baseline reality. The structure consciousness wouldn't look like a thing, because it has no boundaries. Instead, it would look like an infinite, luminescent ocean of liquid platinum or living dark matter that fills all of space. The relationship to the body. You would see that consciousness doesn't actually live inside the human body. Instead, the human body and its biofield look like a unique whirlpool forming inside this infinite ocean. The brain acts like an antenna, drawing a localized current of this universal sea down into the physical casing. The connection. When two people share a deep, resonant connection, you would see the infinite ocean between them begin to ripple, forming a glowing, braided bridge of light that links their individual whirlpools together. In this visual reality, a healing journey would look like a person manually untangling knotted filaments in their biofield, clearing out the heavy static fog of old feelings, and allowing the clean, golden geometry of clear thought to align perfectly with the infinite ocean of consciousness.